What's up, homies? We back. Wow. Back behind the slow guy. As usual, everybody's slow. Everybody's slow, man. Dong, 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 dong. Dong, 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 dong. Closing up on another slow guy. But I'm gonna take it easy because that's what I do sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes. So can I see how much battery I have? Not so much. Oh well, we'll make it work. Don't have to be a long ride or a lot of footage. Time to go fast, man. Kind of fast, not super fast, but you know, kind of fast. You can't go super fast all the time because then it gets boring. So you have to switch it up a little bit, you know. Sometimes you go super fast, sometimes you go a little fast. Let's see what's happening here, man. Yeah. The road is damaged here. So it's a little bump in the road. That is not nice. First time it caught me by surprise, but now I know it's there, so yeah. First I thought it was intentional. They made a speed bump or something. Because, you know, the people in this town in here, they're quite crazy, you know. They like to put speed bumps everywhere. Because they think people, oh, they drive too fast to our town. There's a lot of yabbering about that. With, yeah, some people might drive too fast, but you know, you don't need to do like a collective punishment just because some people are bad. That guy went fast over there on a bike. I think I could hear him, and I could definitely see him just yeah. I need to put on some white girl music, man. Ugh. I need to make a good white girl music playlist with only white girl songs. Because that's the song that's best to ride with, you know, white girl music. Let's turn the bike off because I don't know how long I'm gonna be here. Take off the glove because it's a lot easier then. Time to put on some white girl shit, man. Let's see if I can find a good white girl playlist. This has to be good. Yeah, we try this. If it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna have to stop once again to switch the playlist. And when I get home, I have a mission to create the best white girl playlist in the world. Wanna hear a 6 startup? Time for a launch control. I'm not the best at launching the bike, man. That's something I'm not so good at. Make me feel only cat in the world. Bad thing about white girl music is that it makes you wanna drive like a white girl, basically. No, I don't know. It makes you want to drive super fast. I think he smiled at the camera because now he knows he's gonna be a YouTube sensation. It's gonna be known. No, I'm just over exaggerating. I think he thinks he's gonna be a YouTube sensation. But little does he know, I only have 250 subscribers. At the point of recording. Maybe it's less, maybe it's more, I don't know. I haven't checked it today. Make me feel. Yeah. You see, this is where they get the milk. You know, back in the good old days, the milkman used to come there and put the milk in those milk cans or whatever. And you got fresh milk from the cows every morning. Nowadays, I think most people just use it for decoration. Unless they still have a milk route around here. I don't know. I don't live in these parts, so maybe they do. But then again, it's only one house that has it. That's strange. I think it's for decoration.